The owner's name is Bryony Wilson. The story is that she used to be a regular client here. And then when this one showed up for selling, she was able to do it and she felt love enough to do it. What I love about working here, first of all, is like I feel like home. I'm Cuban, 100%. The owner keep everything authentic and try to keep Cuban people working here so that way everything stays the way it should be. It's what makes us unique. I know there's a lot of restaurants, all they have a specific kind of food, but the Cuban food kind of hard to find. And even if there are other places that serve it, what we get from our clients is that they prefer to come here. So we keep everything authentic, the staff working, the receipts, the dishes, everything. We have oxtail, specifically, days of the week, and they drive crazy for it. But our beef ribs in a sweet sauce and the chicken fricassee is the most amazing. Everything here is homemade, so we take all the steps and all the prep cooks to make it like the right way, and that's what keep it authentic. The clients can tell, and they keep coming. A lot of people love to come here, so not just for eating, they exchange their experience being out, or they just been living around here and they just find out I love. So this is my message, people that love Cuban food. You don't need to go to Miami or any other place to try Cuban food. You can just come here and you will feel like at home.